So this is Rowchoisch, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Bothy. These are like gold dust to the weary traveller, places where you can stay overnight, dry, it's warm, you can get a fire going. The deal is, if you take something, you put it back. If there's beans here, you put a kind of span back. If you use some wood for the fire, you replace the wood, that sort of thing. But these things are like absolutely beautiful gems to find. And I think there's another one on this on the way to Inverarnan, done by a Bothy. Welcome indeed.